This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Cynthia Jimenez. Welcome to this beautifully updated 3-bedroom, 2-bath single-family home. Newer roof 2017, HVAC 2019. This home features stunning porcelain tile flooring throughout, adding both durability and elegance. The spacious open floor plan is bathed in natural light, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. The gourmet kitchen boasts granite countertops, beautifully updated cabinets, and modern fixtures, making it perfect for cooking and entertaining. Both bathrooms have been upgraded with porcelain tile walk-in showers, granite countertops, and stylish cabinetry, offering a luxurious retreat. The neutral color palette provides a perfect backdrop for any style, while upgraded fixtures add a contemporary touch to each room. Centrally located, this home offers both convenience and charm. For more information